This is how you get a shared link for your Google slideshow or a document. Now, it's very important to remember, do not use the link up here that you see. Do not copy that. What's going to happen is the person, a viewer, another student, or your teacher will not be able to see your presentation because it's not their account. Um, they would have to request access from you, and then you'd have to approve that so that they could see it. I mean, it's just a big mess. So, what I would like you to do for that is to go to share. And this is, it's not that I'd like you to do this, but this is what you should do. Okay, this way you don't get all these emails from people wanting to view your projects, and I'm not going to be able to um, click for permission so that you can grant me permission to view it. That's not going to work. So go to share. Just click on share right there. And you can add email addresses in here, but if you'll notice, there's a get shareable link. This is what you want to use because this will give you a link that if anybody clicks on it, they'll be able to see it. And automatically, it's set to can view. Anyone with a link can view. And you can change this, but this is really the best. So the default is the best here. Now, here's a link down here. You'll notice it's just a new link that gets generated. This is because you have now made this link publicly available. So somebody just needs to have that link and they can see it. You can also click here, copy link. You can see it says link copied to clipboard. Now, you can go to any submission. What I'm just going to do is use the notepad here. But you're just going to go to Canvas and click on submit, and then for the URL you're just going to paste the URL and it's going to look like that. And you can see that at the end here it says edit and then that question mark USB equals sharing. Okay, that's your preferences. That's shared. So it tells Google that you can view it, that the person can view it. This is how you want to do these things. Okay, so don't paste it in Notepad, paste it in your Canvas submission. This will work the same way for Google Documents. Anything that you do with Google, you can do this with. You can even share an audio. This way you can create an audio recording or upload one, or a video, and you can share that video. You can create a shared link to that video or that audio file, and you could submit that as well. So that's another way. Sometimes you have an audio recording to submit. You can submit that by URL by using Google Drive and do the same thing. Get a shared link to that file. You can't just submit the file itself. You can't submit the link that you have to the file itself. You must create a shared link, and this gives everybody privileges to view it. Anybody with a link, and then what you do is you simply paste the link into your discussion or to your submission. That allows other students and your teacher to see and grade your work. If a teacher can't see it, then he can't get a grade. All right, it must be visible for the instructor to see, and this is also in your in the course home for this Canvas course. If you look at it, it's in the requirements. Okay, thank you.